Namaste. Today I am going to talk about the lineage pattern. The lineage pattern is a pattern which will get repeated over a period of many families. If you see the families together, put together, you will be able to notice the lineage pattern very clearly. Not many people are able to see the lineage pattern. The lineage pattern happens over a period of 20-30 years period of time. But if you step back and look into the lineage pattern, very beautifully you will be able to see a pattern which is getting formed. For example, my grandfather had three brothers. The last of the brother died first, the second brother died later, the third youngest brother died. My grandfather was the eldest man in the entire lineage. In fact, he died last. So, in the lineages where younger people die first, elder people will die last. That is why many of the lineages, elder people live a very long life because the younger people get killed first. Okay, now again I'm telling you, my grandfather had three younger brothers. The last younger brother died first, the second younger brother died second, the third younger brother died last, which is next to him, he died last. The same pattern again got repeated even in his children's life. My mother was the last of the children. She died first, and then her sister died first. Afterwards, her elder sister died, and finally, there was a brother who had died. So, the lineage pattern can be considered as a Arogan or Avarogan. Arogan means it will happen in the ascending order. Avarogan means it will happen in the descending order. Now, there is also another lineage pattern I saw. There were four brothers. The first brother was successful to a level. The second brother was doubly successful. The third brother was more successful than the second brother. The last of the brothers was a super duper success. I am talking about Chandrasekhar, the the MD of Tata Group of Companies. He is the last of the guy, and he is the most supremely successful in the entire family. There is another lineage pattern which I have seen in my father's side. All the sons' children have never done well, and all the daughters' children have done exceedingly well. If you see, there were 5 boys and there were 4 girls. All the 4 girls' children had done exceedingly well, and all the 5 boys' children have never even, many of them have never passed plus 2 or did not work for a very long period of time. This is also another pattern which is being seen. Now, in the Brahminical houses, you can see another pattern which is being happening is the time of marriage. Most people try to get married after 36, 38. Now it has even come to the extent of 40, 41, 42. Like that, each successive generation, if you see, they take a long period of time to get married. For example, earlier marriages were done between 20 to 22 for girls. Now slowly it became 22 to 25. Now the cycle has become 25 to 28. Now it is all understood that they will get married after 32. In the Brahminical family, if you see, it is more than 36. Now this is also another pattern. Another pattern I have seen is all the males will not have children. The female will have only one boy children. Now this is also another family pattern I have seen. There will be 2-3 brothers and one sister. One sister will have one son. The rest of them will not have babies. So this is also a baby pattern which is being seen. Another pattern I have seen as far as the family pattern is concerned, education. There was a lady, 9 brothers, that is 5 brothers and 4 sisters. All of them were double graduate. So I asked her, how is that possible? She told, my great grandfather built a school. Now if you see, all of them were double graduate as a person. Incidentally, she was the principal of a school. So most important thing you have to understand is that all these patterns get repeated again and again in a people's life. There was a lady whose child was applying in Canada. So she asked me, I told, your child will be the last of the generation which will get shifted to America. You will not have anybody living in India. All your relatives and all your so-called kith and clan will be in America. She checked, she found her last sister had gone off to America. The second sister has gone off to Dubai. She was the only person who was living here, and incidentally, even this girl will go to Canada and settle down. So therefore, this is a common pattern I have seen in many of the Brahminical lineages, where many of the relatives and are all settled in America or in the European countries. So therefore, it is very important to see the lineage pattern. The negative of the lineage pattern is the suicide. Now, if you see the suicide, it happens in one family, that is one branch of the family, again and again the suicide happens. Now, this is a very, very interesting thing. Now, for example, there was a lady who was called Monal. She actually committed suicide. The person who was acting in the movie, his name was Kunal. Even the hero ultimately committed suicide across as a person. So therefore, now this suicide, non-marriage, not having a children, not educated. You can see in certain families, people will never get educated. They will all be 8th pass or 10th pass, and most of them would have started working very early in their life. Therefore, this is the lineage pattern. The lineage pattern is many planets will be associated with Rahu Ketu. There was a lady who had Venus Rahu. I asked him whether was there a suicide of a female in the house. He said yes, there was a female suicide. Now if you see the Rahu Ketu, Sun with Rahu means suicide in the father's side. Moon with Rahu Ketu means in mother's side. And also Mars with Rahu means land dispute. Venus with Rahu means suicide due to marriages. Guru with Rahu means the Guru would have had a very deep damage. Saturn with Rahu is basically connected with work. Therefore, if the Rahu Ketu is associated with many planets, lineage karma is very strong. And many planets in the 6, 8, 12 shows lineage karma which is very, very strong. Therefore, one needs to do the remedy. How long one needs to do the remedy? It is very, very simple. Now, you will see all the festivals are celebrated happily. That is the first indicator. The second one is that pattern will not get repeated. And the third one is your Janma Nakshatra. The Janma Nakshatra in which all your family members are having. That way they will have very good time. For example, myself, my wife and my daughter is there. All the 3 Janma Nakshatras will go well for months together without any problem. Which means the lineage pattern is being fully cleared. Now there will be husband and wife, 2 children will be there. All their 4 Janma Nakshatra will lot of good things will happen across as a person during the Janma Nakshatra. And they will celebrate festival. Whenever they meet, they will be very happily. Now there is a lineage pattern. Most of the negative lineages will meet during a bad time or stay together in a bad time. During the good time, they will be away from each other. Now when the good karma happens together, when you have cleansed the lineage karma, you will automatically start meeting people in good time, and whenever you meet, you will be very, very peaceful to them. And most important thing, the Indians found a very, very important thing. Your time and your mind is connected. Many people feel time and mind is not connected. Actually, it is not true. That is why it is called Viparita Kale Vinasa Buddhi. So your time and mind is directly connected. Your lineage karma, which is represented by the DNA, RNA, blood, is directly connected with your mind. So that's why they say in India, just like the mother, the daughter also behaves. If you see, many people faces become like their parents towards their end of the life. That is why they say, Thaya pola pulla, nula pola sela. So therefore, your body template also becomes like your lineage. Your mind also becomes like your lineage. You need to clear it to have a better life. Thank you so much for watching. Please do watch this video if you want very deep spiritual stuff, not something very superficial marketed in the name of spirituality, but very deep spiritual stuff. See it, share it. Thank you.